हे हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज योर बॉलीवुड स्पाई यानी कि आरजे दिव्य सोलगम। और इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद है बहुत ही प्यारी सी पारुल। पारुल, सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। ये हे प्रभु 2 के जो ट्रेलर को रिस्पॉन्स आया, बहुत ही डिफरेंट स्टाइल ऑफ ट्रेलर्स, रिलेशनशिप, धोखा, ऑफिस लफड़ा, ये डिफरेंट स्ट्रैटेजी से बनाया गया है। तो प्लीज कैसा रिस्पॉन्स रहा, आप कुछ बताइए उसके बारे
I think people had been really waiting for it. So I'm glad that season two is releasing and बहुत time से लोग wait करते हैं because constant comments आते हैं season two कब आ रहा है season two कब आ रहा है. So as soon as we dropped the first teaser, the reaction has only been, oh my God, finally it's coming. And some of the people, they've actually seen the season one just after the season two has come, the teaser has come. So they are waiting even more because they've just now seen it. So it's good. It's good. It's very anticipated right now.
और ये जो डिफरेंट ट्रेलर्स निकालने का, शॉर्ट शॉर्ट ये बनाने का जो उसका आइडिया जो था, वो कैसा लगा? ये हम लोग को तो काफी डिफरेंट लगा।
I think everyone's liked that. Everyone's liked it because they're like कि वो सब कुछ specify कर दिया है कि
जी।
personal life में क्या हो रहा है, family life में क्या हो रहा है. That was the whole point of this thing कि इसकी life में हे प्रभु moments इतने हैं तरुण की life में, which is played by Rajat. So that describes it really well. So I think it was a great idea for focusing every problem, hey Prabhu moment of his life in a one minute teaser.
एंड यू हैड सम quirky लाइंस, तो कैसा रहा ये जो आपका जो कैरेक्टर है अरुणिमा का, वो इस बार कैसे शेप अप हो रहा
You just saw a hint of Arunama in season one. There was a sense of who she is. But now, what she really wants is what you get to see in season two. She's taking her own stand on things, and she's a true journalist who's just working as an editor right now. But she sees herself as someone following real stories. And that's what she's taking a stand when the digital is coming in, which you see in the teasers ki digital aa raha, and she's
है?
not
जी।
very happy with that digital idea.
You have been part of so many web series and everything in all different platforms, लेकिन अगेन नंबर्स की बात करेंगे तो MX Player has fantastic reach। तो हे
I
प्रभु के
know.
बाद का जो आपको रिस्पॉन्स आया था फैंस का, प्लीज उसके बारे में सम एनेक्डोट्स और समथिंग।
You know what's beautiful? The fact that it's free. So anyone
या
and everyone can watch this show. So we are not just limiting to, oh, आपको subscription लेंगे आप तभी देख सकते हो. So young people,
करेक्ट।
I remember, and this is after 1 year of release of the show. I was coming back from the airport. The security guy came who's like, seemed like a little, not the security, normal security. He seemed like that some officer security guy. He just walked in. He's like, I saw you yesterday. I was like,
तो
where did he see me yesterday? It's like, and he was very well educated man. Didn't seem like he would watch something on his phone. And he came to me and he's like, yeah, show में थे मैंने ये प्रभु कल ही देखा. Very good, very good. I was like, oh, that's nice. So that everyone is watching and it's so accessible. It's so easy. आप बस अपना phone उठाए and you can watch it anywhere. That's the power of internet and these platforms, web platforms.
So, last year has been bad for you, but if we look at everyone, but if we look at the last year's journey of yours, it's been like phenomenal. The Riker case, Illegal, Your Honor, Girls Hostel, Hey Prabhu 2, back to back wonderful work in 1 year span. Please कुछ बताइए उसके बारे में।
You know, when I was releasing in the lockdown, मैं बहुत दुखी थी. मुझे था कि, oh God, ये
हम्म।
मुझे लगा था 2020 मेरा है. ये 3 shows आएंगे, मैं पिक्चरें करूंगी, पिक्चर पे पिक्चर करूंगी. वो मुझे बहुत दुख लगा because I was like, I worked with Jimmy Shergill, I would be going out promoting the show. I would be going to these platforms, that platform. And when you go out, people talk about it, more work comes your way. But एक तो वो उस
जी।
पे आया, so that time I was very upset. But now in the retrospect, when I look back, I'm happy that I was working. I was still promoting. I mean, I had 3 releases, all three I was promoting. I was kind of busy in the lockdown. I wasn't sitting idle. And जैसे ही वो सब खत्म हुआ phase, in August I started shooting for Hey Prabhu season 2 and then Girls Hostel season 2. So it's been good. It's been good. I wouldn't complain.
So which has been the most memorable and the tough one? मतलब एक साइड पे मेमोरेबल, एक है जो सबसे टफ था।
Hmm. In the lockdown or anything, or in just
Yeah,
overall
because these
something
are the
that's
ones which
released?
everyone has watched. आपके ये जो भी लास्ट तीन वाले जो थे वो सब हिट हुए, they all have been hit। तो
Hmm. सबसे fun and difficult you asked, right? So the
Yeah, memorable, which you remember, okay, wow, I had some great time, and tough one is, okay, God, why did I have this?
I'm
Hey Prabhu,
currently
why did
shooting
I
for
have?
yeah. No, I'm currently shooting for something. It's a little tough, but it's so challenging in a way because as a creator, actor, or even in your space, we are creative people. So anything that's challenging, you feel like, oh, ye to karna. So that is very difficult. Currently, I'm shooting for something. Cannot say much, but it's very different from who I've ever
Okay.
been. Most memorable recent time may would be Hey Prabhu because we made that in pandemic. As soon as we got out
Gee.
of this time and we are shooting for this show, there was so much gratitude from everyone. I was happy that I was working after so long because मैं रोज कहती थी मुझे बहुत जोर से एक्टिंग आ रही है, अभी थोड़े टाइम बाद मुझे लगेगा मैं खुद की सीरीज बना के यूट्यूब पे रिलीज कर दूंगी because I was just dying to act and Hey Prabhu came in that time for me.
Wow. You started with television, ventured into regional films, and then back to back this huge stardom on OTT platform. So when you look back, how's the journey? How's the journey been?
It's been good actually. It's been good because when I was starting, I did have a vision कि अच्छा 25 होंगी तो ये करूंगी, इतने साल की होंगी तो ये करूंगी. I started when I was 17. So for me, plan was 25 तक मुझे मूवी करनी है और मुझे बड़ी एक्ट्रेस बन जाना है 25 तक. I'm 27 as we speak. Uh, that didn't happen, of course, but life had its own plan. I had my own journey in its own way. मैंने टीवी से शुरू किया. मैंने ads की बहुत सारी, फिर पंजाबी फिल्में हो गई.
Gee.
But then I decided that's not my space. I don't want to do that. And web, thank God, was coming to India and we were making web shows. It just gave me a new life. And जो भी मेरा सपना था कि मैं फिल्मों में करूं या फिर important part
Hmm.
करूं, main lead करूं, वो सब possible हुआ because of web. क्योंकि अगर web नहीं होता शायद films are a far-fetched dream for me still because movies आपको या तो लक से मिल जाती हैं अच्छी फिल्में या फिर वक्त लगता है बहुत. तो मेरे लिए आई थिंक अभी वक्त और लग
Correct.
सकता है. सो वेब वाज अ ग्रेट टाइम फॉर मी एंड आई एम सॉरी आई एम जस्ट गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन बट बेस्ट पार्ट इज आप थोड़ा टाइम शूट करते हैं देन यू स्टार्ट शूटिंग फॉर समथिंग एल्स एंड इफ द फर्स्ट वन इज अ हिट you shoot for a season 2.
Yeah. It's like reliving, new character every day.
Yes, absolutely.
So आपने पंजाबी फिल्मों की बात की, वो जर्नी कैसी रही? हनी सिंह, जैजी, गैरी, सबके साथ आपने जो काम किया, प्लीज कुछ
It
बताइए उस.
happened वो ऐसे ही हो गया. नो लाइक रियली मैं फर्स्ट ईयर के एग्जाम्स दे रही थी या सेकंड ईयर के मैं एग्जाम्स दे रही थी बिकॉज मम्मी वाज लाइक ग्रेजुएशन कर लो, कुछ नहीं हुआ तो फिर कहीं कुछ कोई जॉब वॉब करनी पड़ेगी ना, जॉब के लिए कुछ तो पढ़ाई होनी चाहिए. So I remember I was giving my second year exams, I think, because I dropped out that year, but I again gave the exams. Burra, my first Punjabi film happened,
जी.
and I was like, oh my God, movie करनी है. And तब तक I was not serious in my life कि मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है, पढ़ाई करनी है, करना क्या है. I remember being on that set, I realized, oh my God, power of cinema. I'm
Hmm.
feeling something. ये मुझे पूरी लाइफ के लिए करना है. But then I didn't feel very fulfilled as an actor in Punjabi films because कुछ था नहीं. It was very clear कि आपको ना 2 सीन और 3 सॉन्ग्स मिलेंगे या फिर 3 सीन और 2 सॉन्ग्स. एंड आप फिल्म उठा के देख लो, जो भी मैंने फिल्में की हैं, आई एम जस्ट देयर, और जो मेरे टॉकिंग सीन है वो 2 या 3 है तीनों फिल्मों में. तीनों फिल्मों में
Wow.
एटलीस्ट इन जोरावर, एटलीस्ट मैं क्लाइमैक्स में भी खड़ी हूँ पीछे, कुछ कर नहीं रही बट मैं दिख रही हूँ. And I didn't feel fulfilled. That's why I exited. I genuinely thought if I become a bigger actor in Punjab, it'll be easier in Hindi. But
Hmm.
then I realized कि नहीं, I'm not going to chase that dream. I will struggle in Hindi. Hindi cinema, Hindi industry. That's what I want to do.
So अब क्या इसके बाद क्या plans है? क्या what's in the pipeline?
I'm doing one web show. I really like my character and the story of it. वो shoot कर रही हूँ. बाकी Legal 2 and Your Honor 2 is in the pipeline.
Wow. That will be something to look forward to. And cinema halls are bleeding. So again, थोड़ा सा struggle कर रहे हैं. The people are trying to come back. Some big movies are lined up. Godzilla versus Kong. Again, Suryavanshi, KGF 2. So
Yes.
which are the films you are excited to watch? कब कौन सी देखने आप जाएंगे?
I would KGF. I like the trailer. There's so much happening. I would like to go
You
and
like
watch that.
Yash ka that swagginess?
नहीं यार मुझे I love how South Indian movies are made. they are very ambitious. That's lovely. उनके CG अच्छे भी नहीं होंगे, but वो ambitious तो है ना, वो कुछ करने की कोशिश तो कर रहे हैं अपने हिसाब से. I like it. I mean, I not seen the first one, but because of the hype of it, I want to
जी.
see. And there are some big movies, and I do want to, as an actor, support these movies by going to the theater. Because that experience is just so amazing. And I would wish, अगर मैं movie करती हूँ, लोग देखने आए, irrespective, they will get the footfall. But I've been missing watching movies in a theater.
We all are, but the point is to stay safe, and
Absolutely.
all the best for your future ventures, and thank you for being with us, and again all the best for this season 2, Hey Prabhu season 2.
Thank you. Thank you. You were very, very sweet and nice, and you had done your research so well. So thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye.